Yay! Bondage finally arrived! I also ordered some E16s, so I'm going to try those out today too. I'm also going to be adding in some reused E14s, as well as some reused C14s and C16s. First off, I'm going to apply bondage to my lashes, just barely at the base. I'm trying to put a little bit. And I am opening the tube and just dabbing the spine of the gossamer just on the little part that's open. And this is a C14 gossamer, which I am going to place on the inner corners of my eyes. And I'm just starting with the inner corners, and then I will just do one eye at a time when I start adding the E's. And now it's time for the E14, which I'm going to add right next to the C14, and I'm going to continue with my right eye. I decided to alternate between the E14s and the E16s, so after the E14, I'll add the E16, and I'm going to keep overlapping a little bit for each one that I put on. So now back to the E14, I'm going to add next to the E16, and after that, back to an E16. So now the lashes in the inner corner are slightly coming loose, so I'm going to dab a little bit of glue onto the outside ones, just to make sure that doesn't happen for the rest of them. So next is the E16, I'm going to dab in the glue and put it over the part where I put more bond. Now I'm going to add a little bit more bond to the inner corner, and it's a little messy and I made a boo-boo, but it's okay because I think it's a little strong, so it should hold. And now I'm going to clean my little boo-boo with this Melt Away, and I'm just going to dip it in a Q-tip and wipe it away, and look, yay, all clean, it's better now. Now moving forward, I am going to finish my right eye with a C16 at the very end, and I'm done with that side. Look at me, my right eye's finished. I should go out like this, just one half. Just kidding. I'm going to finish the other side now. Okay, so since I already did my inner corners, I'm going to add the E14 first on the inner part of my eye, and then I'm going to mess up completely because it got too sticky and it came off. But it's okay, it's okay. I'm just going to add a little bit more bond again to the inner corner, just a little bit. And then I'm going to reapply the C14 to the inner corner of my eye all over again. It's fine. And now I'm going to continue where I left off, adding the E14 and alternating between the 16s and the 14s all the way across and closing off at the end with a C16. So my left eye doesn't look as full as my right eye, so I'm going to add an E16 to that side. So I smeared some glass on my fingers and then just dabbed my lashes a little bit to get rid of the stickiness. And I forgot to fuse, so I ended up doing that an hour later. So hopefully they still last. They feel really solid, so I'll let you know how long it lasted. Thanks for watching!